ranking my personal top 10 creator that are creating content about content. So at number 10, we have Brock Johnson, who creates content about how you can grow on IG. If you are someone who wants to learn how to create inbound funnel or how to actually hook an audience, his current content challenge where he reviews his followers profile and give a review on it is a complete guide masterclass on how you can grow an IG. So that's why he is at number 10. At number 9, we have got Ayush Swami. I really like how he talks and how he presents the topics, his textile and the cinematic style that he's having. Next, at number 8, I've got Misery. He's a very straight person to the point who doesn't say anything fake like other content creators. He's real in everything what he talks about, and that's a very good side. Next, at number 7, I've got Carson Rap's content. I really like and enjoy his way of presenting the things. Like he raps the content and explains it. So like that's very engaging. No one else is doing right now. That's why he's at number 7. At number 6, I have got Sam Goddard. He's a very down to earth person who shows every single day, not with some high edited videos, but he has the generosity to post every single day and show up. He is a real person who I really admire and respect. At number 5, I've got Devin Jato. Really like his editing style and the way of presenting his things and tips. At number 4, I have got Jason Cooperson. I really like how he integrates AI with content and just create automations that make the work easier, just like I do. He's the best creator I have seen in the AI content. Getting into the number 3, I have got John Yu. He's a massive inspiration for me when it comes to the intersection of building systems and integrating a good personal brand and understanding how to build it. Number 2, I've got Ava at Personal Brand Launch. She's the person who do a very deep analysis on content and researches very well, and you can copy the way that he double downs on his content that works and how he breaks down different formats. At number 10, we have Caleb Ralston, who talks really something about personal branding. He has very massive courses on 7 hours courses free on YouTube, and he's the guy in the behind the scenes of big creators, and now he's coming out with his own content and showcasing himself. I really admire him. Also, let me know which creators you like in among these lists and dropping in the comments. Till then, keep learning.